Anyways, y'all, I'm back, and now we're gonna go put on some Vaseline and wash my hair. You said it actually ready. Okay, guys. So as y'all can see, my ponytail is officially longer, and my mom's hair is still longer than my mom's hair. It's still here, and my hair is very far from my hair. So my hair is very short, and my hair is like here, but my hair is like here. So she looks cute with the hair, and my hair is officially done. I'm just looking for it, but the hairbrush, I don't know where I put the hairbrush last minute, so it's fine. I'm just gonna use the comb for now. And yeah, so I didn't fully like do my goals because I don't mind. I want it to be cute. So this is how far as I can get it. And we're gonna put it to the back so that the one can look cute. Okay, done. Time for this. It's like this is one of my skincare that I always put on before I use makeup, and it was usually very nice. Like first up, we're gonna start with my Nubian blush, and I love it because South Africa have different things in America, and sometimes South Africa copies America, but America doesn't care if South Africa copy America, because America is strong team and they don't want to lose against South Africa. So that's why Donald Trump and Ramaphosa have beef with each other. So yeah, and Ramaphosa have beef with each other. And if you're gonna step foot on Donald Trump's property, you will be kicked off immediately, because Donald Trump is connected to the Philippines. And if you're gonna mess with Donald Trump, then you're gonna be sent to the Philippines. And yeah,